to show you photos of our foreigner YouTube members, and I would like you to rate each of one on a scale of 1 to 10.
5, 7.
9?
Wow, 9!
He looks older.
Would you date him?
Yes.
Ay, ma-mix kasi, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka mo ma-interview, ma'am? Thank you. Oh, look, babe, look, there. Ay, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka mo ma-interview? Kahit 2 minuto lang. Kahit tawan ka pang tubig. Tubig! Okay lang, ano lang. May papahiling lang akong pictures, ma'am. 4 lang na pictures. Tapos, i-rate lang siya sa 1 to 10. 10 na bilang pinaka-gwapo or pinaka-attractive para sa inyo. Yun lang! Wala nang iba! Okay lang kayo naman kita, ma'am. Sama na para bakong dakol na tao. Para manok mo pa lang. Di ba ulag mo madali? Okay, so we have here beautiful ladies. Okay, may we know what are your names and ages?
My name is Joy, 27 years old. I'm Jonalyn, 25 years old.
I'm Laika, 25 years old.
I'm Jaika, 27 years old.
Wow, they are all so fit and beautiful. Okay, so anyway, mom, I'm going to show you photos of our foreigner YouTube members, and I would like you to rate each of one on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most attractive. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, they're ready, guys. Okay, so, okay. Let's start with the very first gentleman. Okay, let's start with you, ma'am. How would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
7. 6.
6.
7.
Okay, 7 and 6. Okay, how about would you date him?
No. No.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, how about guess his age?
37. 42.
38?
35.
35. Okay, very young, right? Okay, 35 years old. Okay, next. Okay, how would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
8. 7.
9?
Wow, 9. Okay. Okay, how about you, ma'am?
7.
7. Okay, let's start with the one who gave 9. Would you date him?
Yes.
Okay, how about you?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Okay, so 3 yeses. Okay, how about guess his age?
35. 32.
33?
36.
36. Okay. So for those who said yes, okay, his name is Gabriel, and he is 44 years old. He's also from California, USA. Would you like to say hi to Gabriel? He's actually watching right now. Would you say hi?
Hi, Gabriel.
Hi, Gabriel.
Hi, Gabriel. How are you?
Okay. Okay. Next gentleman. Okay, how would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
5.
4?
5.
Grabe na.
6.
6. Okay. Would you date him?
No?
No.
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 Okay, guess his age.
32. 32.
36?
37.
37. Okay, thank you so much. Last gentleman. Okay. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate him?
6.
4. 6.
5.
5. Okay. Would you date him?
No.
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 Okay. Guess his age.
40. 45.
51.
49.
49. Okay, thank you. Wow. I'm sweating, guys. Okay. Friends, relatives, what?
Friends.
Friends. What is it? Like colleagues, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Co-workers.
Co-work, yeah, colleagues, co-workers. Okay. May we know, ma'am, what's your job, if it's okay?
I am CCTV operator. CCTV operator.
And you too? One company.
No.
Oh no, different companies. What?
Before. Same company before.
How about you, ma'am? The same work?
Same work but I'm posting at mall.
Entrance.
How about you, ma'am?
CCTV operator din po.
Very interesting, right? And you look young, fit, beautiful. They're very nice guys. Okay. Well, anyway, ma'am. Last question. All singles or what? Are you in a relationships? What?
Single.
How long have you been single?
4 months.
4 months. She said she would date Gabriel, right? Okay. How about if Gabriel is right here, right now, and ask you if you would date, like if she's asking you out, like to have like a date, would you go?
Let's see.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka po ma-interview? Right. Thank you. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Pwede ka ma-interview? May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Kai and I'm 19 years old.
How would you rate him on a scale on 1 to 10?
5.
5. Okay. Would you date him?
No.
No. Can you guess his age?
Probably 40. 40 plus.
40 plus. Okay, thank you. Next gentleman, we have, okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate him?
7.
Okay. Would you date him?
No.
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 Okay, guess his age.
He looks young. I think 20. Probably on his early 30s.
Early 30s. Okay. Next gentleman, okay, how would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
Would you date him?
No.
No. Okay. Guess his age.
Probably 30. 30. Early 30s.
Okay. So we have our last gentleman here. How would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
Would you date him?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay. Guess his age.
40 plus.
40 plus. Okay, now I'm curious because all her answers are no, like you wouldn't date any one of them. Okay, are you single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single.
Okay, how long have you been single?
I'm single since birth. Since birth.
So is that
I'm used.
okay? No boyfriend since birth. Okay, 19 years old. May we know why you said no? Like you wouldn't date anyone from from them.
Probably I want to date someone who's in my age, and I'm the type of girl who's date to marry.
Date to marry. So you want someone who is 19 years old as well.
Not really, but I think probably 3 years. That's the maximum. 3 years older.
3 years old. Pero are you still studying?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Medical technology.
Ay, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Pwede ka ma-interview? Ma'am, excuse me. Pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Okay lang, kahit 2 minutes lang. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Mia. I'm 23 years old.
How are you tonight, Mia?
I'm doing good. I just met with some of my friends here.
How would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
Mm, 7.
Would you date him?
He's much older than me, so like I'll pass.
Okay. Guess his age.
60 something.
Okay. How about the second gentleman we have? How would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
8.
Would you date him?
Depends on his age. How old is he?
Guess.
Uh, early 30s.
Early 30s. So, if he is in his early 30s, would you date him?
Kinda depends on his personality.
Oh, depends. So, I'll take that as a yes.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, by the way, his name is Gabriel. He is actually 44 years old and he is from California, USA.
He doesn't look like his age.
So, she's saying that Gabriel looks younger.
Yeah.
Would you like to say hi to Gabriel? He's watching actually.
Hello.
Okay. So, next gentleman. Okay. How would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
7.
Would you date him?
He's not my type, but he looks good, but he's not my type.
Okay. How about guess his age?
40.
40. Okay. Next, last one we have. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate him?
He looks older. 7. 7.
Okay. You mentioned earlier that you wouldn't date someone who's like,
So much older than me. Yeah, I will.
okay, so I don't have to ask that, right? Okay, but how about guess his age?
40s. Yeah.
Are you single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single.
You're 23 years old, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
How long have you been single?
For more than a year.
More than a year. Why is that? It's been
It's hard to find someone that's genuine.
Ay, be, excuse me, be. Pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Okay lang. Nag-vlog. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Christine. I'm 21 years old.
The very first gentleman we have, okay, how would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
6. Would you date him?
No, because of age, maybe.
Oh, okay. Guess his age.
50.
50 years old. Okay. Next, we have, okay, how would you rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
Probably 8. An 8.
Would you date him?
Maybe.
I'll take that as a yes. Okay. So, guess his age.
35.
35 years old. By the way, his name is Gabriel. He is 44 years old and he is from California, USA. Would you like to say hi to Gabriel?
Hi.
Okay, he's watching. Okay, next we have, okay, how would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
5.
Would you date him?
No.
No. Okay, guess his age.
30.
30. Okay. Okay, last gentleman we have. How would you rate him on a scale from 1 to 10?
5.
Would you date him?
No.
No. Guess his age.
60.
60. Okay. By the way, the photos that I showed, it's in alphabetical order. Okay, their names. I forgot to mention. But are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth, and you're 21. Are you still studying?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you studying?
Education.
Education major in?
English.
Wow, amazing, right? Okay. May we know why up to now you're still single?
Probably it's not my priority.
Studies first.
Yeah.
Okay. When do you think you see yourself like you're ready?
Anytime, I'm ready naman. Yeah.
Anytime you're ready. I guess you're just waiting for the right person, right?
Mm.
Okay. What if Gabriel is here right now and he asks you out on a date? Would you say yes?
I don't know.
I'll take that as a yes. She's like not sure, but anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi everyone. Hopefully we earned your subscription, and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon members. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection